Hey everyone, it's Jaclyn. So today I want to sit down and film a holiday gift guide for you guys. Now if you're anything like me and you leave your shopping to the last minute, literally, 4 days away from Christmas. If you leave it to the last minute like me, hopefully this video will be useful. I feel like I've got a good collection, a good variety of things that I know I would be down to receive this year. Also, I just feel like I need to address the fact that I'm filming this on my vlog camera and not my regular DSLR. Yeah, basically my DSLR camera decided to malfunction and I think it's like broken. I don't know what's going on with it. Merry Christmas to me. So I thought I would keep things pretty casual, film it on the vlog camera, you know, make it less formal. I don't know. Let's just get into the video. Okay, first things first on the holiday gift guide is sunglasses. Now I feel like Christmas is actually unsuspectingly a very good time to gift sunnies because normally people go away on vacation, maybe they're going to a little tropical place, or, you know, sunglasses are just the thing. I feel like I never want to buy sunglasses for myself or maybe more designer or expensive sunglasses, so it's always really nice to receive it as a gift. Now I've got a few different pairs here, that way there's kind of something for everyone here. But the first pair that I wanted to talk about is actually a collab with Kenmark Eyewear. It's the Gemma Styles collection. Now you can actually get these all online at Baxter and Bonnie. Actually, this wasn't the first one I want to talk about. The first pair that I want to talk about is actually these guys here, and these are called Evil Woman. Now these come in a few different colors, but I have the ones here in black. Now I feel like these are a really good starting place for sunglasses, especially if you're not really sure, you know, what the person's gonna like. These are just like your classic oversized sunglasses. Now I've been looking for a really good pair of oversized sunglasses, kind of like Celine-esque sunglasses that are very oversized, that I can kind of throw on, wear them to the gym if I've got no makeup on, if I'm looking a little sweaty, but also still really fashionable and stylish enough that I can kind of pair it with an outfit. So these ones here I thought were the perfect call. Let me do a little show and tell here. Okay, so here we are, very oversized, really fun. They're just kind of like an easy pair of sunglasses that I know that I would get use out of any time of the year. And that is why these are first on the list. Anyways, the next pair of sunglasses that I have here are also from the Gemma Styles collection. And these ones here are called Paradise City. Now again, these come in a few different colors. I decided to go for the pair here in amber. Now I thought these types of sunglasses, this would be more for your friend or maybe family member that's like a little more fun, maybe a little more trendy, likes to kind of spice up their outfits. I love how the color of these are really playful with the fact that they are like transparent or translucent, transparent. I'm not gonna pretend that I know the difference between the two. But yeah, these pair just kind of scream fun and youthful and playful. Now the lenses in these are actually amber, so everything right now is super orange, but I'm kind of into it. It's kind of like, you know, a little filter on life. But yeah, they're a super fun pair of sunnies. I find the cat eye shape very flattering and very like uplifting to the face, so I think that it'll suit a lot of different face shapes. What's also really great about these sunglasses is that they're kind of mid-range. They're not excessively expensive like a crazy designer pair of sunglasses, but they are so high quality and they're not like a cheapy pair of Forever 21 glasses. So it's really nice in that mid-range price point, and I think there's a lot of variety with the styles and colors, so that makes it a really good option for a little gift. Now moving on to the last pair of sunglasses that I have here. These are more on the higher price point, so if you do maybe have someone that you want to, you know, spend a little more money on, or someone that's just a little more bougie and would appreciate a good pair of designer sunnies, I have these Vera Wang ones here. Now these ones are absolutely gorgeous. I think it was Bella Hadid. Was it Bella Hadid? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. And she was rocking these sunnies and looked absolutely amazing. So I immediately was just lusting over these. Now these here are the Nya Frames, and they come in a bunch of different colors, but these ones are just the all black ones. Now I thought these would be a really good pick for this time of year just because they are so basic, they kind of go with any outfit. Again, the shape of these glasses are very universally flattering, so no matter who you're buying them for or gifting them to, I think it'll flatter a lot of different face shapes. Now it's no secret, I've got a very big head and a very round face, so I do find certain styles of sunglasses not flattering, so it's very intentional with the types of frames that I included. This pair in particular is very delicate. It's got a very like thin frame and it's very flush and flat. So I really like them. They're something different. Okay, the next thing on my gift guide is actually some jewelry. Now y'all know that I'm a big fan of very simple and classic pieces of jewelry. I'm a huge fan of the brand Majuri. They're made here in Toronto, so shout out to them. Love to shop locally. And Majuri is such a beautiful brand. They always package their jewelry so cute. So the pieces that I actually wanted to include on this gift guide, I'm actually wearing, so that way I could, you know, model them for you. So these little earrings here, I'll insert some close-ups, some better shots of these. So these earrings here are the safety pin earrings. They come in silver and gold. I personally am a gold person, so that's why I opted for gold. But obviously I would tailor that to whoever you're giving the gift to. I think it's pretty easy to figure out if someone is a gold jewelry wearer or a silver jewelry wearer. But even if you don't know, a good little tip for picking out jewelry for people is to kind of go by their undertone. So people typically have a more yellow or golden undertone. Typically yellow, gold, and rose gold jewelry is more flattering. And if someone has a cooler, maybe maybe more pink undertone, silver tends to be the jewelry that kind of flatters at best. But that being said, not everyone follows that, but just in case you really don't know. But these earrings in particular were the ones that I thought were a big standout for this season. I also did want to talk a little bit about rings because you guys know I always wear rings. Oh, there is some horns going on outside today. Now don't mind the fact that my hands look literally like 5-year-old boy hands. I just got my nails taken off, and you know when you have like long nails and extensions on for a while and you take them off and you're like, these are what my hands look like? This is very confronting. Feels very not feminine right now. But I'm a huge fan of pinky rings and midi rings. So this one that I have here is actually this honey ring with a little bee on it. And I just think it's so beautiful and very understated, but also still has a little something exciting going on to it. And again though, Mejuri has so many different ring options that if you just kind of go online and browse through, I'm sure you'll find something that really speaks to the person you're giving the gift to. But yeah, they're really good quality and they have a really good variety of price points ranging from like, I'd say $40 all the way up to like $500. So there's definitely something for everyone and everyone's different budget. Okay, this next gift here, I have to lug it off the ground. It's gonna be a little heavy. So this here, let me try to hold this a bit better. Okay, I'm just gonna heavily rely on the insert shot for this one. But this here is a Lush gift set. Now, if you guys know me, I mean, come on, you know I live for Lush products and I love a good self-care sundae, love a good bath bomb, love a good face mask. Love, love, love Lush. Now Lush, I feel like always goes out of the park every single year with their gift sets. And again, they have a huge range of presents ranging from like $10 all the way up to like $300 and a ton in between. So this one here is kind of more of like the high-end mid-range. I think this is like maybe $150-ish. Don't quote me. I'll link it down below, like I said. This gift set here is called Dreamskate, and I think this would be perfect for a really big bath lover or Lush fan in general because it kind of is like the ultimate picks of bath products from the holiday range from Lush. So I'll quickly show you actually inside. I was trying to open this earlier and like organize the bath bombs and then I accidentally dropped everything, which was very, very frustrating because it made such a mess here on my floor that there's like glitter and dust and bath bomb particles everywhere. But I think I cleaned it up all right. Watch me just completely drop this again. But yeah, this gift set here is exclusively bath products. There's no shower products. So definitely don't buy this if the person that you're giving this to is exclusively a shower person. But if you know that they are a huge bath lover and they really just, you know, maybe they need to take some extra time for themselves and you want them to pamper themselves, I think this would be such a beautiful gift. It is definitely more on the sweet side of fragrances in terms of the types of bath bombs and products that are in here. A lot of them lean towards more of like the candy sweet, edible food kind of smells. There's bath bombs in here like Shoot for the Stars, which smells like this amazing caramel toffee. But yeah, it really just is a fun collection of bath bombs and a lot of beautiful kind of bath art inspired bath bombs. So ones that are gonna look really beautiful in your tub and like basically the bath bombs that are Instagrammable. And me speaking as a longtime fan of Lush and a huge Lush addict, this is a really great gift set and I think any Lush lover would be happy to receive this one. Okay, the next thing that I have here is this beautiful and shiny box from Aldo. Now, y'all know I love me a good shoe, and the only thing better than receiving a good shoe is giving it to someone else. So the ones that I picked out this season that I thought were a big standout are these amazing metallic-y boots. Metallic-y? Is that a word? I don't know if that's a word. Now, the shoes that I thought were a huge standout this year are these incredible booties here. Now, I'm sorry, just like take a minute. How crazy are these? Now, I was gonna try to, you know, play along and pretend that these were a gift for someone, but I'm gonna be completely honest, these were a gift for myself this year. I think these are awesome. I think they're super fun. They're a really good pair of shoes for more of like a New Year's party, I feel like, just because they are so sparkly. Now, I actually already have a very similar pair of heels from Aldo. They're just like not bedazzled and not nearly as fun as this pair. They are such a beautiful and flattering shape of shoe on like your leg and your ankle. It just makes it makes your outfits look absolutely insane and it makes your legs look 10 times more awesome. So definitely really flattering. I will say though that these are a pretty solid heel. So, you know, just make sure that you or whoever you're giving this to can walk in a heel because these are quite the heel. Also, I'm sorry, I know I'm talking very fast right now, which is very on brand for me, but I feel like I'm extra excited and giddy today. This is actually the last video that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys until 2019. So I'm like excited and also nostalgic and I don't understand how this year flew by so quickly. But yeah, I know I'm talking really fast right now because I'm super hyper and excited and yeah, anyways. Okay, now sticking to the theme of New Year's, I guess more festive inspired picks. This here is an incredible gown that's from the brand called Evernew. Now, Evernew is an Australian-based company, but they have locations here in Toronto and one in Vancouver, I believe. And they have the most incredible dresses and gowns ever. And as soon as I saw this, I was like, this just screams holiday. I need one in my life. So this here is this incredible maxi dress. It actually comes in a few different colors. There's the pink one and then this navy one here. And it is just covered in sequins and it's absolutely stunning. So it is quite long and there's like a really high slit in the bottom of it. But it is just the most incredible gown that I've seen in a while and I'm just so obsessed with it. So I think if you have any holiday parties coming up or like a crazy New Year's party, this is definitely something I would go for. But again, if you are gifting to someone who loves to get dressed up or just loves a good dress, I think it's definitely worth checking out Evernew. This one is for sure my top pick of the season, but they do have a ton of other stunning gowns as well. Okay, the next recommendations that I have here are two things that I'm really excited about because you guys know Charlotte Tilbury is one of my favorite luxury makeup brands of all time. I just am so obsessed with Charlotte Tilbury and I pretty much always wear Charlotte Tilbury makeup. Like right now I have Pillow Talk on my lips. So I was really excited to see the gift sets that Charlotte launched this year and I think she did a bunch of really fun ones. Now I went through all of them and these were the two that stood out to me the most, so I wanted to include both. One is a skincare set and this one here is a makeup set. So starting off with a makeup set, this one here is called Charlotte Tilbury's Party Girl Kit. Everything you need for a mesmerizing party look. And I would back that up. It basically comes with little minis of a lot of her most popular products. So you've got a mascara in there, an eyeliner. This in here is a mini lipstick. You've got the Pillow Talk lip liner that I was just talking about. And you also have kind of like a cream eyeshadow stick. Again, I'm obsessed with those too. So the reason that this one stood out to me is just because all of the products that are in here are products that I love. So I would be so happy gifting this to someone else and being like, hey, every single thing in here, it's amazing. I think you would love it. So definitely if you have any makeup lovers in your life, and maybe someone that doesn't normally get the chance to try out luxury makeup, I think this would be a really great little set to kind of introduce them to Charlotte Tilbury and to just make them feel a little special. So this one here, definitely would recommend. Now sticking to the luxurious theme of Charlotte Tilbury, if you don't have anyone in your life that is a makeup junkie, I thought maybe they would be a skincare junkie. So this one here is the Charlotte Tilbury Gift of Magic Skin skincare kit. And this is filled with 3 of Charlotte Tilbury's best-selling skincare products. So in here, you've got the Charlotte Magic Cream, which is her very famous and well-known face cream. And there's also the Magic Eye Rescue, which is an under eye cream. And I've actually used this one before and I really like it. And then in here, there's also a travel size of the Magic Night Cream, which I actually haven't tried this one, but I hear dashing reviews online. So I'm gonna hope that whoever gets this ends up falling in love with that as well. But again, I think this is a really fun little introductory kit to Charlotte Tilbury skincare, and you really get to try like the cream of the crop, the best of the best. So yeah, definitely worth checking out if you do have any skincare junkies in your life. Or really, like I just feel like this would be a really good gift if you have maybe like a grandma or a mother or someone who you just feel like needs that extra little bit of pampering. Maybe they work really hard and they don't take enough time to kind of treat themselves. I feel like this is a little skincare set that just kind of tells you, hey, I love you. Take this, take the time to kind of make yourself feel as special as I think you are. And it really is, you know, the gift of luxury, and as Charlotte says, the gift of magic skin. So yeah, I just think it's a really thoughtful gift, and especially with it being Charlotte Tilbury, it's not necessarily a brand that you see at every single beauty counter. It is just something that's a little more special, and I think we'll just go that extra mile. Okay, next up, I have one more clothing pick. I think this is actually the final clothing pick for this video. I felt like I couldn't do a holiday gift guide without including the perfect holiday sweater. Now this one here is from Banana Republic. I believe it's called the Woman's Eyelash Crew. Again, I will link it down below. I know that it did come in a few different colors. There was like a pink, there was a navy, and then this color here in white. Now I'm not kidding when I say that this might be the softest sweater that I've touched in, you know, in a long time. It's so soft. It's like almost like buttery feeling. I don't know how else to describe it. It just feels like a warm hug in your hands, and it's got this amazing kind of fluffy, fuzzy little texture, so it looks so festive and so wintry. And especially this time of year when it is just a bit more cold, I feel like anyone can appreciate a really good, a good quality and warm sweater like this. So yeah, definitely wanted to include this onto the list. It is just like, I just want this to be made into a giant blanket. Then I would also include that on the gift guide list because it is just so incredibly soft and such good quality. I am truly obsessed with it. So definitely worth checking out if you were on the hunt for a sweater for anyone. Okay, the next gift that I have here is a little tech favorite. Now this one here is actually my personal one. This isn't brand new in packaging or anything like that. And this is the Google Pixel Buds. Now I've been using these for like the past maybe like 6 months to a year. And I did not realize the difference that wireless headphones make in my life. It's just one of those things that sounds like excessive and you don't really need it. When you hear of like either AirPods or whether it be these, you're like, okay, but what's the big deal? I already have a pair of headphones with wires on it. It's not gonna change anything. But oh baby, wireless headphones really do just change the game. And trust me, I get it. When you start wearing AirPods, you know, it puts you into a specific category of person. They're like, oh, that person, they wear AirPods. You know, they love a good wireless headphone. But you know what? I feel like there's less stigma around a Google Pixel Bud. I feel like everyone just kind of loves to hate on it. But there is something so magical about wireless pair of headphones. It is just truly so convenient, and whether it be for working out, that's when I like to use these the most, just because there's no wires to worry about. But yeah, whether it's just working out or maybe like walking to your commute to school or to work, wireless headphones just truly have a place in everyone's life. So definitely worth kind of going the extra mile and getting that gift if someone is a big tech lover. Okay, moving on. Are we almost done? Oh, I think I have only 2 more items left. Okay, the next thing that I have here is actually a candle, because this is the time of year you want to just cozy up by the fire or light a little candle. This one here is from the Body Shop, and this is the Enchanted Forest scented candle with energizing essential oil of pine. Now, I'm going to try to carefully open this up without ruining the package. So this candle here just smells absolutely incredible. I'm so obsessed with the fragrance. It's really nice because it definitely has more of that earthy kind of woodsy note, like the pine that it was talking about, but it's really soft and delicate. It's not overly sweet or overly fruity at all. It's not one of those fragrances, you know, sometimes when you smell a candle, sometimes when you walk by like Bath and Body Works in the mall, you're like, oh, that is a lot of fragrance happening in my nose. It's not like that at all. It's very subtle, very like, I'm a new homeowner. This is my first Christmas in my new house. Welcome to my cozy kitchen. Something like that, you know? Sometimes I feel like the references I make are a little too specific to actually connect with any of you, but that's what this really smells like to me. First Christmas in the new house. It definitely is. Okay, guys, we have made it. We are on to the last item of the gift guide. Now, you guys know me. I love beauty. I love fashion. I love all of that stuff. But really at my core, and what I know I'm going to be doing for the next week and a half with my family and friends, is just playing board games. Now, if you guys know me in real life, I'm actually obsessed with like puzzles and board games and Nintendo GameCube. And there's nothing I love more than just a good night in and a good family games night. So the last thing that I wanted to include on the list was a good bonding and a fun-filled game. Now this one here is What Do You Meme, which is basically the internet meme-inspired version of Cards Against Humanity. And oh my goodness, this is just such a good gift to give because you can open it up and play it right away. Now, you know what, if you're really feeling jazzy, you can play it with the whole family and get everyone involved. It's truly so fun. And yeah, there's nothing I love more than a good board game. I guess this isn't a board game, a card game. There's nothing I love more than just a good family games night. So I think this is such a great gift. So yeah, those are all of my picks for the 2018 Christmas coming up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are a late shopper like me, hopefully you found this useful. But yeah, I just want to say, before I say goodbye, a huge thank you for all of your support this past year. This is going to be the last video from me this year. I'm going to actually take about a week and a half off, which is really exciting because I feel like the past few years, I've always either been traveling or on vacation and kind of vlogging it all. And I'm excited to kind of unplug and put down the camera and really just focus on being present with my friends and family and just kind of have a little recharge, you know? So yeah, I guess I just wanted to say thanks for being so supportive this past year. This 2018 has been truly the most incredible year of my life, and a huge part of that is thanks to you guys. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just feeling really excited for the new year and to see what 2019 brings. But I hope you guys all have an amazing holiday, and I hope you guys all have a really happy and safe 2019 and New Year's. And I will be back in the new year with a bunch of new videos, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!